looks like insane adventure, but this is a vacuuming system for the cooling system of the car. So it's a electrical motor, the former drill, which is connected to the air compressor from the refrigerator. Now the compressor works like a vacuum pump. Here is the input where it sucks in air. So this system will apply a vacuum to the whole coolant system of the car. If you look, this hose here, it is compressed. This is because there is a vacuum in the system. This allows to remove all of the air. I disconnect the power and the vacuum still remains. So the coolant system now is under vacuum. The reservoir was full of the coolant, but now it's gone because the air was released and the air was replaced by the coolant. Now I'm gonna fill more coolant.